Diff locked in. 10 runners locked up and ready under orders as the gates fly back along with this roar of the crowd. One runner has been left standing inside the stalls. That's Mescalito, is missed it by a distance. And it's Queen of Kings leads by about 3 parts, a length clear of Pyrite. Diff very deep, followed towards the fence is Rise and Rain as they stride past towards the 2,000-meter mark. They followed then by running into third now is Pyrite. Star of Night holds the fence. Diff running 1 deep. Then comes on the improve is Saigon. Victor Hugo comes in next. Another 2 lengths behind comes Truth, followed by Ramiel. Back to the leader now, and it's Queen of Kings by a margin of 3 from the stable companion Rise and Rain. Another 3 parts of a length behind is Saigon. Towards the fence is Pyrite. Half a length behind is Div, 1 deep. Towards the fence is Star of Night as they run towards the 1400. Another 3 parts of a length behind, running length behind is Victor Hugo, followed by Truth. Then there is Ramiel, who's nearly 10 lengths from the leader. And the leader comfortably in the lead is Queen of Kings by about a length clear of Saigon and Rise and Rain still racing together. Another 3 parts of a length behind is Pyrite, now being joined on the outside by Diff as they stride towards the 1100. Then comes Star of Night, half a length behind. 1 deep is Victor Hugo, followed by Truth and Ramiel on the improve on the outside. 1,000 meters more to run in the President of India Gold Cup, and it's Queen of Kings leads by about 3 parts from Saigon. Another half a length behind towards the fence is Rise and Rain. On the outside now, 1 deep is Diff on the improve, followed by Ramiel making a rapid progress. Pyrite comes in next, followed by Victor Hugo Urge. Another length behind towards the fence, fading out is Star of Night, followed by Truth as they continue the journey towards the 600. Nearly 600 meters more to run now, and it's Queen of Kings now being tackled on the outside by Ramiel. Between 2 runners is Saigon, followed by Rising Rain. Towards the fence on the outside is Diff, and trying to change lane is Star of Night coming into contention, followed by Pyrite Renithviga. Inside the last 300 now, and Ramiel trying to tackle Queen of Kings, who is not giving up with Diff on the outside. Coming with a powerful run, so to Star of Night. Ridden on very with the vigor is Pyrite, followed by Victor Hugo, but Star of Night is going to be the star in the President of India Gold Cup. Star of Night takes it, beating of Diff, Pyrite, followed by Queen of Kings, Victor Hugo. Then it was Rise and Rain, followed by Ramiel as they went past the finish.